In this video we are making spinach, feta and chickpea salad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. The first thing we need to do is grill the red pepper. Grilling it gives the salad a very nice smoky flavor. Then I add 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a large bowl, 1 pinch of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and we whisk. We then add the chickpeas, the red onions. We also add the red pepper and mix everything gently. To that we add the spinach, salt and pepper to taste, and give it another mix. All done. Get a serving bowl, and that's when the best part starts. Add some feta cheese on top and serve. I hope you make this recipe and share with your friends and family, and let us know if you enjoyed it. So, if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, as we do make new video every week. I'll see you again in the next video.